Hello, and welcome to the Math Review. In this lesson, we're going over how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers using this specific calculator. We'll go over all the important buttons that you'll need to know, as well as go over 4 examples. It sounds like it's a lot, but I promise you it's not. Coming up on the Math Review. So I know I've said this before, but when you look at the calculator, there are so many different things to look at. It can definitely be very overwhelming. But what we're going to focus on today is just this area of the calculator right here. And if we zoom in, you're going to see everything that you're going to need. Most importantly, you're going to need this blue button called the second button in order to do the things that are printed in blue. So what we're going to be focusing on today is converting improper fractions into mixed numbers. What we're going to have to access is this part right here that's written in blue. And what this means is, hey, take what's entered as an improper fraction and convert it to a mixed number. This one's super useful because it does both. That's why it's a double arrow. It can either convert a mixed number into an improper fraction, represented by d over e, or vice versa. If you put an improper fraction into the calculator, it will take that and turn it into a mixed number for you. Let's see that in action. So the first example we're going to go over is this one right here, 9 over 8. First, we'll need to put this improper fraction into the calculator. In order to do that, here are the buttons that we're going to press. First, we'll enter 9, then we'll hit ABC, and then we'll hit 8. That tells the calculator, hey, we want to write 9 over 8. Then we're going to hit that blue second button, and then we're going to hit the ABC button again. Let's do that in the calculator. So first we'll enter 9, then ABC. That'll give us this little bent bar over here. Then 8. Then we'll hit this blue second button. And you'll notice here on the lower left corner of the screen, it says second. That's just telling you that the calculator knows you hit that button. And then we're going to hit the ABC button again. Because what we're saying is, hey, we don't want to use the first purpose of the button. We want to use the second purpose of the button, the one written in blue. So hit ABC again. And then it writes all that stuff here. Now let's go over what this means piece by piece. Hey, calculator, take 9 over 8 and convert it from one to the other. In this case, it's an improper fraction. So take that improper fraction and convert it to a mixed number. When we do that, it gives us this. It gives us 1u 1 over 8. And that's the calculator's way of writing 1 whole unit and 1 over 8, or just 1 1/8. Let's try the next example. So here we have 19 over 3. First we'll enter 19, then we'll hit the ABC button, and then we'll enter 3. Then we'll hit the second button, and then hit the ABC button. Let's do that in the calculator. So we'll enter 19, then ABC, then 3, then we'll hit the second button, and the calculator just told us that it knows we hit it, and then we'll hit ABC again, and then we'll hit enter. And that gives us 6u1/3, and that's just the calculator's way of writing 6 and 1/3. Let's look at our next example. Here we've got 86 over 5. So first we'll enter 86, then we'll hit the ABC button, and then we'll enter 5. That gives us 86 over 5. Then we'll hit the second button, and then the ABC button again, because that will take our improper fraction and convert it from an improper fraction to a mixed number. Let's do it in the calculator. 86 ABC 5, that's 86 over 5. Second, that little indicator light turns on. Then we'll hit the ABC button again and hit enter. The calculator took that big improper fraction and converted it to the mixed number 17 and 1 over 5. And finally, let's go over example 4. 327 over 11. And we'll follow the same exact process. We'll enter 327, then we'll hit ABC, and then we'll enter 11. Then we'll hit the second button, and then ABC again. So let's do that in the calculator. So first we'll enter 327, then we'll hit ABC, and then we'll enter 11. Then we'll hit second, and then we'll hit the ABC button one last time. And you might notice that it kind of got rid of some of our writing from the beginning. Don't worry too much about that. The calculator ran out of space. It's still there, it just moved everything over. That's what this left arrow means in the corner. And then we'll hit enter. And that gives us 29 and 8 over 11.